Hi, my name is Najma, and I just got done writing a new song, and I'm putting it on YouTube because y'all don't know me and y'all don't care about my feelings, so y'all will be honest on what y'all think about it. If you like it, tell me you like it. If you don't like it, tell me you don't like it, and you could even tell me what you don't like about it. Opinions are always great. It's called Can't Stop Me. I'm just gonna do the first verse, cause well, I'm just gonna do the first verse, and I don't have the beat. Sorry. But I'm gonna do it a cappella, cause I think I'll still be pretty okay. So, okay, I just wrote it, so please bear with me. It's not perfect. Alright, yeah. I got the block on lock and that's a given. This my city, so I'm about to really get it in. First real chick to admit to liking women. Y'all not really getting it. I'm the hottest period. I'm on my grind. It's my time to shine. Rewind. Y'all can't stop me. I'm so unique. I'm a foreign chick, you know I'm from Germany. I got gifted written all over me. I'm not cocky, it's not a fantasy. I just know that I'm the true epitome of anything as great as me. You know it's true cause you playing my CD. Don't get mad, it's the truth. I can't help it that you like the way I do me. And it ain't never gonna change. I'm gonna stay the same, always on top of my game. Got the block on lock and that's guarantee. No, I ain't gonna go into the chorus. Y'all like that though, I know. Okay. But no, for real, comment, let me know.